Hey, so let me guess. You're on your phone right now, maybe lying in bed, blanket wrapped around you, scrolling through YouTube, wishing you could make money without even getting up. Well, what if I told you there are actual data entry jobs you can do from that exact spot you are right now? Yep, no laptop, no office, no complicated setup, just your phone, your thumbs, and maybe a cup of tea or on your nightstand. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 legit data entry jobs that you can do straight from your phone from anywhere in the world. These are not surveys or spammy apps. These are real platforms that pay you to complete simple tasks that don't require a degree or experience. All you need is consistency and your phone. So get comfy because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start earning money without ever leaving your duvet. Let's get into it. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, we'll talk about how to make money online. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. But real quick, have you ever scrolled for hours thinking, man, I wish I was getting paid for this? That mindset right there, that's the first step. And today, I'm going to help you turn those scrolls into income. First up, we've got Microworkers. This is a micro task platform that gives you tiny gigs you can do right from your phone. Things like copying text, checking search results, or verifying data. The best part, you can knock this out in just a few minutes while laying in bed. Each task pays a small amount, some a few cents, some a few dollars, but they add up fast if you stay consistent. It is free to join, available worldwide, and you get paid via PayPal or Skrill. Bonus tip: sort tasks by the ones labeled mobile friendly to make sure you're not wasting your time. Now you're thinking, that sounds too easy. Trust me, it is. That's the point. These tasks don't need a fancy setup, just your focus and a few tabs. Next up is remote tasks. This one is for people who enjoy slightly more engaging tasks like transcribing short audio clips, drawing boxes around images, or identifying objects. They've got a mobile accessible website, and while there is no app yet, the browser version works just fine on most phones. Once you pass a short training, you unlock higher paying tasks. Pay depends on the task complexity, but some folks earn around $30 to $100 a week just doing this part-time. Not bad for something you can do in your pajamas and considering if you don't have a job. Okay? By the way, if you're enjoying this so far and you're already imagining your new lazy money lifestyle, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more videos like this coming your way every week. Remote jobs, side hustles, and easy ways to earn without leaving the comfort of your home. Alright, on to number 3. Let's talk about Apen. This company hires people around the world to do short-term projects like typing, image annotation, and even voice recording. They've got lots of mobile-friendly tasks like entering short bits of data, reading phrases into your phone, or verifying search results. These usually pay between $10 to $50 per project, depending on how long they last. Sometimes they ask you to take a quick qualification test, but once you're in, it's super smooth, and yet you can do most of this while laying in bed with your bonnet on and your snacks nearby. Now, I know someone's watching this thinking, are these jobs actually legit? And I get it. The internet is full of scams, but that's why I only bring you platforms that are verified, reviewed by Trustpilot, and have been around for years with real users making real money. That brings us to number 4. let me introduce you to Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as MTurk. This one's been around for a while and it's one of the most popular microtask platforms out there. You will be doing things like verifying data, transcribing short text, or identifying duplicate entries. These are called HITs, human intelligence tasks. Each hit can take like anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes and pays between a few cents to a couple of dollars. But again, volume is key here. You can do dozens in a short time and that adds up. You can access MTalk right from your browser, so it works well on phones. Some people earn up to $200 a week just from doing this in their spare time. If you're still here, you're clearly serious about making money on your terms. No office, no commute, no dress code. That deserves some credit. So here's the final platform, and it's a big one. Number 5 is Telus International AI, previously known as Lionbridge. They hire remote workers to help train AI systems. That includes data entry tasks like labeling content, evaluating search engine results, and reviewing ads. Some of these tasks are longer term and pay more. Think like $18 to $20 per hour, and they have flexible schedules. You usually need to take a quick assessment, but once you pass, it's one of the better paying options on this list. That is why I kept it for the last. And yes, many of these tasks can be done straight from your phone. Just make sure your browser is updated and ready to go. So there you go. 5 real data entry jobs you can do from bed. No laptop required. You've got Microworkers, remote tasks, Apen, MTalk, and Telus. Whether you've got 10 minutes a day or a few hours to spare, these platforms give you options. And it's not just about the money, it's about freedom. The freedom to work from your safe space, your cozy blanket, your quiet corner, wherever you feel good. And if you're thinking, but what if I mess up? Don't worry. These platforms are beginner friendly and you will get better with every task. So, here's your challenge. Pick one of these today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Sign up, explore a few tasks, and just try it. Even if you make $5 this week, that's $5 you think you have before for doing something on your phone in bed. And if this video helped you or gave you that push you needed, go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know which platform you're trying first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell because I'm just getting started with you guys. More phone-based jobs, more work from bed ideas, and more ways to build income with ease are coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching. Stay cozy, stay consistent, and keep collecting those coins. I'll catch you guys in the next one.